guys, since we don't have enough time to work today, we planned to basically just show you how to finish the last exercise and how to upload it on GitHub. So we're going to do that now from the beginning, from scratch. Actually, the only thing we're not going to do is the HTML, because that's the I think everybody knows how to make the structure in HTML. We're going to do some CSS, and we're going to upload it on GitHub later on. So that's for today's lesson. Okay, so basically I will share the screen now. Okay, and I already have the project here, but I will just go there and open only the wait. So I will basically only open the HTML part. This is the one. So this is the HTML code, and from this place we're gonna start and working on the rest of it. But I will have to make a new folder and then just copy this. Wait. Like this. So there we have HTML. We're gonna create CSS later on. So I will just open this in the code. Okay, awesome. And then I will, as I told you before, I will just paste the code from the HTML, so we don't do it all over again. Wait.
You've got it.
Yeah. So this is the one outside. You're gonna do it like this. So basically we have HTML here, and the link, as you can see, to the CSS is here. So we're gonna create a new file called style.css, where we're gonna style our HTML. So basically, here, first I want to show you the HTML structure.
You need to move the images over as well.
Yeah. Wait a second, I will copy the I will copy the complete folder. Perfect. So that's it. Okay, so we're gonna go through the structure a little bit. As you can see, there is the body tag. Inside the body tag, we created the div. This div will contain only the title and some text. This is the text that is above the images with the cards. Second of all, we created a container. Inside the container, we created a new single class for the divs. That means that each of these will be one card, as you can see here. And this is the text card under text, so everything is written basically, so you can see it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start with the body. In the body, we wanted to give maybe some background color. Background color, let's say something darker. What do you say, Kieran?
Probably something like a gray with a bit of opacity. Yeah, with a bit of opacity.
Let's say gray first, and then we're gonna do it like this. Yeah. Maybe a little bit darker gray. Something like this. Awesome. Besides that, we're gonna place the margin top, and we're gonna set it for, let's say, only 10% from the complete width. Okay, so let's move on. We're gonna have here. We're gonna have a subtitle.
Yeah.
So a class of subtitle. So basically here dot class of subtitle, and also we will add a color there for the letters, and it's supposed to be something.
It's like a see-through black.
Let's open up maybe the wait, the document. The document that Ilkin sent to us. So was it this one? The last one, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. So we're gonna go all the way down to the exercises. No.
It's loading.
It's still loading.
It's below. Yeah.
Yeah. So this
we had the same thing yesterday.
So basically on here, we're gonna have maybe give this something like this, and then wait, something like this, maybe 0, 0, 0.47, like we did it in our task.
You need an extra 0.
3, right? Is that right? And
an extra 0. It's 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, one more.
Yeah. So it's like red, green, blue, and then
red, green. Yeah.
I don't know what the A is. Opacity.
And then we're gonna add font size.
I have around 16 pixels.
16 pixels. Okay.
It's not perfect, but it'll do.
Okay, awesome. The second thing we have to target is the title. So basically, wait a second. News text. Okay. So we're going to target this class, latest from our blog, so we can add the color like it is in here, as you can see, this one. So we're going to say dot title. Okay, color will be something like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put, let me see in my task, 45, 0, 1, 7, 0, something like this. So yeah, it's kind of blue. Yeah. And then we're gonna set font family. It's sans serif, right?
Yeah, but it don't have a fallback.
Yeah.
That was my fault, but anyway.
And then letter spacing. 0.5 pixels.
Something like that. And also font size around 32 pixels.
Yes.
Make it nice and big and bold.
Okay, awesome. The next thing we're gonna target is, I will show you now. The next thing we're gonna target is this text with this class, para. So basically like this. We'll put the font size. Font size will be, let's say, 12 pixels. 12 pixels. Next, letter spacing. Let's put it 0.3. 0.3 pixels.
And the same color as the one we used on the subtitle.
Yes, the same. What do you mean? The blue one or the dark one?
The dark one, the subtitle.
Yeah.
No, the one down. The one down.
This one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Cool. Okay, so we have the color, and that's it. So now we're gonna start with the container. We placed inside the container, we placed images with actually the cards with the text and everything below. So we're gonna target that container. Okay, inside the container, we will give the max width. Max width should be around 1280 pixels, 1280 pixels. Since it's supposed to get it from the width of the screen, so that's about it. And we will set the width to 100%. That's it. And we're gonna give the margin auto, and then we'll put 0. So like this. After that, we're gonna go with the latest blogs. I will show you. So new single, our container, categories.
It's the top one. It was the one before the container.
Yeah, latest blogs. Yeah, so this is the one
that wraps all the main title and stuff.
All the main title and everything. Yeah, so our latest blogs. And we're gonna make it to the center. So we do it with a text align center. That's all for it. And we're gonna do now the new single. New single is basically those are the cards within the container. So we're gonna do it like that. So news. Sorry, single. Okay, new single. We're gonna go for display first. And display, we're gonna do the inline block, since that's the one we have to use. So we can put them in a horizontal line. Width, we will set the width. Width will be around 350 pixels each. And then we're gonna set the margin between those. Margin between those will be around 20 pixels. 20 pixels. And then we're gonna add some padding. Padding around it, like 8 pixels. So that's about it. So the next thing is images. So we're gonna hit first the news single, and then the image. Okay, and inside we're gonna put the width 100%. 100%. And margin, we're gonna add some margin bottom. Margin bottom. It will be around 8 pixels. But it's up to you. Basically, you can do you can try it yourself. You can try it yourself and see how the best fits for you. So The last thing that we have to pass is this card under text, you know. So we're gonna set that up, and that's basically that's basically the text here. So we're gonna file that one now. Card under text.
We don't need the width here, just the text align
just
center.
The text align center, yeah. Text align center, and that's supposed to be it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the index, save it. We saved all of it, and we're gonna try to open it and see what we did. So we did. Wait a second. Do we have? Oh, we have the connection with the. So that's okay. Style should be okay. Okay. So did I open the wrong folder or?
I have no idea.
Listen,
it was going so well.
It doesn't go well. So I will. Why is this the images like this?
I have no idea.
Because we gave 100% to the
image, but it should be the just the container.
Maybe we didn't hit some class correctly. Wait. No.
Is it linked up properly?
Wait, I'll check it out.
Just double check. No,
oh, no, it's not. So it's basically without.
It's in the same folder.
Yeah. That was the issue. So we're gonna do it like this, and we're gonna create a CSS folder, and we're gonna place the style inside the folder. Move. Now it should work. So wait a second.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. So it's a bit darker than we supposed to
anticipated.
Yeah. So we're gonna
change that one.
Yeah, we're gonna change the background color to something like this, maybe. Let's see it.
It's a lot darker than expected.
Yeah. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so basically this is it for this exercise that we're supposed to do. Now we're gonna show you how to how to actually upload the task to the GitHub, even though it's of course when it's finished. So you have your lesson here, and of course I created this classroom modules part on the local machine by doing the command git clone and adding the SSH key from the repository. And when I cloned it, I have it on my computer, so I actually basically I can navigate to it. So how to check in which lesson you are? You will go to the slide, and you will see where you can upload. It's this here. This is the part which shows you in which chapter and which exercise, I mean which lesson you have to do it. So since we are in module 1, we're gonna do it like this. This is the module 1, and this is the chapter 3. Chapter 3, and this is the lesson 2. That means exercise 2. It has the README file here. So basically, in the README file, you can open it with a code, and you can open it with a code. And basically here, this is the way we did. We still don't know if that's the correct thing, but I think you should add just some description, some description to this file, what you did and so on. So let's put it like that only. I'm gonna paste it here, and basically I will not add anything else. I mean, this is only one exercise, so I think that would be enough. Save it, and you will have this README file within the folder where the repositoriums are, and then inside this folder you have to copy your exercise that you did. So basically, just do the copy and do the paste. Okay, so now inside this module, chapter 3, exercise 2, you will have your repository, your work, your exercise with the README file. Inside this one, the best thing is to open git bash. And we're gonna have to first switch the branches. Git checkout B, and the name of the branch is module 1, chapter 3, and then the lesson 2, L2. And this is the naming according to the standards. So we're gonna switch to that branch, and now we're gonna do the git add. Okay, we added this to the staging area, so git and we're gonna name it the way you want to name it. So basically the thing is we're gonna do it like exercise commitment or exercise.
Just something to say you've completed it.
Yeah, exercise new commit. Let's say like this. Or we should, or we can add, or we can do it like this: exercise completed, whatever. So it's up to you. We're gonna do the commit, and once it showed like this, you go to git push, and of course copy the thing. This is only for the first time. Oh, sorry. Copy, paste, enter. There is a lot of pictures, images, so that's why it's a little bit slower. By the way, until this is done, I will open the GitHub. View organization. Okay. I will find myself. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So I will basically go to module 1, chapter 3, exercise. Was it exercise 2? Lesson 2, right? Yeah, lesson 2. It's
you need to switch your branch.
No, it's still writing objects. You see here.
Oh.
It's still writing. So basically we will wait, and it's supposed to add it here. But I'm not sure why is it so slow. Maybe the images are too big or something like that.
Possibly.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Slowly. There we go. 83%.
Yeah. Come on. By the way, how's the weather over there, man?
It's warming up slowly.
Yeah?
Hello?
Here it's really raining.
It's warming up slowly.
Here it's really raining.
There is a lot of rain in the forecast, to be honest with you, but it's like 20 degrees during the day and maybe 8, 9, 10 at night, something like that. And then I'm going from this weather to Abu Dhabi, and it's going to be like 40 degrees in the day and 30 degrees at night.
We're expecting some. We're expecting some pictures, you know. You on a camel, or you are on a camel, or something like that.
I wouldn't sit on a camel. Think of that poor camel having to carry my fat bum around. I already said to my partner that she can go on a camel and everything, but I won't. I'll stick to the quad bikes or something. That way, if it breaks down, I can blame it on a mechanical failure. Right. Did it go?
Yeah. So was it Model 1, Chapter 3, L2?
Lesson 2.
There it is. So first, you can go to README file, and you can see that there it is. And exercise is here as well. So basically, what we need to do now is to create the merge request. Wait, this is the master branch. Oh, we're gonna go here. So here on the page, it will show up compare and pull request for the push you made. So you just go on that one, and here you can see that where you can leave a comment and the name of the lesson of the exercise. So we basically go here to assignees, and we will assign the new guy. What's the name of the new guy?
I actually don't know. I've just been assigning Ilkin. Let me open Slack quickly and I'll tell you.
Since I think he is in charge for the exercises now, and I'm not sure.
Andrea Cutugno?
How? Andrea
Cutugno. That's the one, the top guy.
This one. Okay. Okay. So basically, he's assigned now to review your exercise, and you will just go on the create pull request, and that should be it. Yeah.
Is it?
So now here, once they check the assignment, they can merge it, do the pull request, and they can merge they can merge it, and that's it. So otherwise, if something is not okay, he will leave a comment and let you know, and then you can do it. I hope you guys could understand it. But that's about it. Simple as that. I mean, I'm doing it this way. Maybe some of you guys are using the Git desktop application. I'm not very much familiar with it. I used it only once in my life. So for me, it's much easier to use Terminal or Git Bash. So it's up to you guys. But I think this is the easiest way. So basically, you just put it in the right repository, in the right place, and just do the rest through the terminal. So that's it. Okay, guys. I hope this will be clear for you now. So see you next time.